One of the factors of x squared minus x minus 30 is, okay, all right, let's see what we do when we factor this. This is a trinomial. We have three terms, and I have no squares here. Okay, there are no squares. Well, x squared is a square, but 36 is not. This is not 36, is it? That's not a square, so we are stuck with factoring a trinomial. And using no fuss or just regular old factoring, we write x and x for this, okay? Uh, write this with a 1 here and a 1 here, so I'll have some coefficients. It could be 1x squared minus 1x, and then I put the little template over here I'm going to use, okay? So going back, I'm putting a 1 here and a 1 here. And I'm going to use this template here. All right, now we're going to multiply two numbers, and we get those numbers by taking this 1 times negative 30, called AC factoring, where this is ax squared plus bx plus c. You take the a, or the 1, times the c, which is negative 30, you're going to get negative 30. So we want two numbers. I'm going to write my two numbers here, that when you multiply them, that's with the multiplication sign, you get minus 30, and when you add them here, you're going to get this number right here. All right, so you're going to add, you're going to end up with this number here. So we want the factors of 30, negative 30, which add up to be negative 1. All right, so 1 times 30 is 30. 2 times 15 is 30. I'm counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So we're going to start off with 1 times 30. Now the signs have to be different to get a negative 30. You have a plus times a minus to give you a minus. And if we're going to end up with a positive, with a negative sum, the larger of the two numbers has to be negative. All right? So they have to be different signs in order to get negative 30. And the larger of the two terms must be this sign right here. So we put the larger one, which is 30, with a negative, and the opposite of that is a positive. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, after 1 comes 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Now count. 1, 2, 3 times 10 is 30. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 doesn't go into 30 evenly. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 6 is 30. All right? All right, now one of these is going to give me a negative 1. Let's look at this one. If you add these up, you get negative 29. Add these up. If you have $2 and you spend 15, you're $13 in the hole, negative 13. You have $3 and spend 10, you are $7 in the hole. And this is going to be our answer, because 5 minus 6 is the negative 1. So we're going to put the 5 here and the minus 6 here. Notice when I multiply these two, I get negative 30. When I add these two, I get minus 1. All right? So the plus 5 gets put here. The negative 6 goes over here. And we're done. Okay? It's a step. We're going to say one of the factors. You could say x minus 6 is one of the factors. But the answer on our answer sheet is to pick this as one of the factors, x plus 5. All right? So one of the factors is x plus 5. The other factor is x minus 6. Either one of these could have been the answer to my question. All right?